Welcome to my viewers and students. Here again we will discuss some more examples of factorization. This we are discussing from Cbse class 8 curriculum lesson 12. So let us do first one example. Factorize 1 minus twice a minus twice b minus 3a plus b whole square. Now to factorize this, you cannot compare with these identities like a square minus b square, or if you cannot compare with these identities like a square plus twice ab plus b square, or a square minus twice ab plus b square, right? Here you see total there are 4 terms here. So let us first make it more simpler. Now we can write it like 1 minus twice of a plus b. Then third term is thrice of a plus b whole square. Now see we got 3 terms here, right? Now we will remember the middle term splitting. So let us try to do middle term splitting here. The coefficient of 2 is the middle term, right? So let us assume that a plus b equal to x. Therefore, given algebraic expression equal to, we can write it as 1 minus twice of x minus 3x square, right? So if you transfer this term to the left side, not exactly left side, we can write in reverse order 3x square minus twice of x plus 1, right? Now product of this coefficient and 1 is minus 3 multiplied by 1 equal to minus 3. Now let us factorize the middle, this 3. 3 can be factorized as 3 ones are 3 and 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So middle term can be expressed as a difference of 3 and 1, and 3 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 3. That means product of the coefficient of first term and third term is minus 3. So we can use these two factors to find the middle term here. So we will write here 3x square minus 3 minus 1 x plus 1, right? 3 multiplied by minus 1 equal to minus 3. So we are using these two factors 3 and minus 1 to find the middle term here. Then you write it as 3x square minus 3x minus minus 1 1x plus 1. Let us take common factor here. What is the common factor of both these two terms? 3x is common, right? So, or you can write minus 3x is common. That means x plus 1. And here 1 is common. That means x plus 1. So what is the common factor here? X plus 1 is the common factor. That means minus 3x plus 1. Now we replace x by a plus b because originally the sum was on a plus b, a and b. So we will replace x here. X means a plus b plus 1, and this is minus 3 a plus b plus 1. That means if you do further simplification, a plus b plus 1 minus 3a minus 3b plus 1. So these are the factors of the given algebraic expression, right? So we did it by middle term splitting. First we convert it into a expression of 3 terms here by taking 2 common factor from these 2 terms, right? It becomes an expression with 3 terms. So we compared with normal trinomial, just like this, like x square plus 5x plus 6, right? This is same as x square plus 5x plus 6. So we did it middle term splitting here. So let's do one more example here. Say for example, x square plus 3x plus 2 plus ax plus twice of a. Now we can take common factor here. A is the common factor. So x square plus 3x plus 2 plus a is the common factor here, x plus 2, right? Now let us try to factorize this term so that we got a common factor in between these two parts, right? So if you do middle term splitting here, factors of 2 are 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So middle term can be written as 2 plus 1 x plus 2 plus a multiplied by x plus 2. Now if you do factorization, you will get x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 1 plus a multiplied by x plus 2. You remember this? X square plus a plus bx plus ab. So if you factorize this, you get x plus a multiplied by x plus b, right? Same way, this is x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Ab means 2 1s are 2. So x plus a, x plus b. Now let us take out the common factors from these two parts. What is the common factor here? X plus 2 is the common factor. So what remains here? In the first term, first part, x plus 1 plus a. So these are the factors of the given algebraic expression. Let us come to example number 3 here. Say 3x minus 2y whole square plus 3 multiplied by 3x minus 2y minus 10. So you see this term 3x minus 2y is common here in these two terms, right? So let's say 3x minus 2y equal to suppose a, therefore a square, this becomes a square plus 3a minus 10 equal to, now let us do middle term splitting here. Factors of 10, 2 5s are 10, right? And 5 minus 2 equal to 3, and product of 5 and minus 2 is minus 10. So we can write the middle term here, a square plus 5 minus 2a minus 10, right? Product of these two numbers should be the third number. So 5 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 10. Now we can do middle term splitting here within middle term splitting rule. So let us write here a square plus 5a minus twice a minus 10. Then what is the common factor here? A multiplied by a plus 5. And these two terms are divisible by 2. We'll write 2 as a common factor. So after taking out common term, you get a 5. So it is positive 5 or negative 5? It should be positive 5. Minus 2 plus 5 minus 10. Now a plus 5 is a common factor now. So it becomes a plus 5 multiplied by a minus 2. Now what is a? Originally we assumed that a means 3x minus 2y. So we will replace a by 3x minus 2y. 3x minus 2y plus 5. 3x minus 2y minus 2. Right? Again, can we do middle term splitting here? Maybe we can factorize this too. Let's see, 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. And 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Right? 3 5s are 15. 5 minus 2 equal to 3 equal to 2. So let us do it. Suppose 3x minus 2y plus 5. 3x minus 5 minus 3y plus 5. So it becomes 3x minus 5y plus 3y plus 5. But it is of no use, right? Since it's a term containing x and middle term it is containing y. So there is no use of this. So this is the final answer. It could have been done middle term splitting if it was 3x squared 2y plus 5 like that, right? 3y squared minus 2y plus 5. In that case we can go for middle term splitting, but this term contains variable x, this term is containing variable y, so there is no use of doing middle term splitting here. So this is the final answer here. Now let us go for another example. Suppose 5 minus 3a square minus twice a multiplied by 6 minus 3a square plus twice a, right? So you see 5 minus 3a square minus twice a, then this term can be written as 6 minus 3a square minus twice a, right? Minus minus plus. So if you put these two terms within bracket, this becomes 3a square minus twice a. Now we got a common term here, right? So let 3a square minus twice a equal to, suppose, y. Therefore 5 minus y multiplied by 6 minus y, that is given expression equal to 5 minus y multiplied by 6 minus y. That means 5 minus 6y plus y square, or you can write it as y square minus 6y plus 5. So if you do middle term splitting here, y square minus 5 plus 1y plus 5, that means you got it y minus 5 multiplied by y minus 1, right? Now what is y here? Y means 3a square minus twice a minus 5, and y minus 1 means 3a square minus twice a minus 1. Now you can do middle term splitting here, right? 3 5s are 15, 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So let us do here middle term splitting. 3a square minus 5 minus 3a minus 5, and here you can do middle term splitting. 3 1s are 3, 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So let us do it again. 3a square minus 3 minus 1 a minus 1. So this becomes 3a square minus 5a plus 3a minus 5, and this becomes 3a square minus 3a plus a minus 1. Now taking common factor here, you get 3a minus a common factor, a multiplied by 3a minus 5. Here there is no common factor, that means 1 is a common factor, 3a minus 5. And this becomes, if you take 3a as a common factor, a minus 1, and after taking 1 as a common factor, this becomes 1 multiplied by a minus 1. So finally you can write it as 3a minus 5 multiplied by a plus 1, and this becomes a minus 1 multiplied by 3a plus 1. So this is the final factorization of the given algebraic expression. we'll do one more example now. Say a square b square plus 8ab minus 9. So can we do middle term splitting here? Let us try it out. Factors of 9, 9 ones are 9, right? 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9, and 9 minus 1 equal to 8, and product of 9 and minus 1 equal to minus 9. So we can write the middle term as a 9 minus 1, right? So write it like a square b square 9 minus 1 ab minus 9. Product of 9 and minus 1 is minus 9. Now a square b square plus 9ab minus ab minus 9. So what is the common factor here? ab is the common factor, ab plus 9. And this, what is the common factor here? Only one is common factor, ab plus 9. Then ab plus 9 and ab minus 1. So this is the factorization of this expression. So let's do one more example. Twice a plus b whole square minus 6a minus 3b minus 4. Now how to do this factorization? Let us simplify this. There is no common factor here. Yes, 3 is the common factor. Let us try it out. Twice a plus b square minus 3 is the common factor. So this becomes twice a plus b minus 4. Now you see, if you treat twice a plus b as x, say twice a plus b equal to suppose x. Therefore, given expression it becomes x square minus 3x minus 4, right? This is x square minus 3 into x plus minus 4. Now let us do it middle term splitting. 4 ones are 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. So x square minus 4 minus 1, x minus 4. That means x square minus 4x plus x minus 4. So this becomes x into x minus 4, and here 1 is the common factor, x minus 4. So it becomes x minus 4 multiplied by x plus 1. So we'll replace x by twice a plus b. It becomes twice a plus b minus 4 and twice a plus b plus 1. So this is the result of the factorization of this expression, right? This expression. So thank you viewers for watching this video. Stay tuned with my channel. We'll discuss some more examples in the next class again.